Hello and welcome. I am Tahir, and in this video I am going to review FilmoraGo. FilmoraGo is a free Android application to easily create videos. So it has some great features. So here you can see, if you go to the menu, you can see some options. Filmora is also available for desktop, but I don't like it on desktop because it gives you a free trial, but it adds a really big watermark on your videos if you will use it on desktop like Windows. And then you can also see options for photo motions, and copy files option is also available. And on the front screen you can see two options: create new video, and you can also see my saved projects option. And if you click on create new video, you can choose a video. You can see different options, and you can see all the folders on your device. The first option is video. Then you can also click on photos. You also have preset option. You can also choose Facebook, Instagram, or Google Photos. So first of all, we need to select a video. So here you can see some videos. So you can simply select a video, and you can choose the duration for your video. You can also click add to add a new video, or you can click on this symbol to select videos or photos. Then click next. Let's click add. Now we have added two videos, so let's select one. Click next. Now you can see we have added a new video, so you can see some options. We have option for themes, then we also have option for music and transition. And we also have option for ratio and crop, so you can choose the 16:9, cut side, and blur. So here you can see blur is a good option. Or you also have 1:1 option or 16:9. So 16:9 will cut the video from top, so that's why we can choose the 1:1 ratio with the blur option. If you prefer another option, you can also choose that one. You can also add transition, or we also have edit tools option. So let's try transitions. So if you have multiple videos, you can add transitions. If you go to edit tools, you can see we have trim clip option. Then we can add titles. We also have clip option to add a picture. So let's select a picture. From the photos, we have a lot of photos, so we can select a photo. Such as this one, and you can let's select this image, and now you can choose the position, or you can also resize or change the rotation of images. Click OK. Next, we also have options for some other features like voiceover, filters, overlays, elements, titles, and speed. You can even rotate your video, or you can adjust the video as well. So you can change the brightness, contrast, sharpness, and some other options. So let's try to change the brightness. So here you can see we can easily change the brightness of our video. You can also duplicate the video or you can delete the video. Once you are satisfied, you can click OK, and now you can see these are the options. Once you are satisfied and your video is complete, you can preview your video. You can save your video. So this process will take some time, depends on the length of your video. Overall I really like this free video editing software or free video editing application for Android. You should try this one. So here you can see currently it is saving my project. So it is almost done. Now it is exporting, and now we can preview it or we can save to camera roll. You can see the total size and duration, and you can export it to Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Tumblr, Facebook, Vimeo, or you can email this video as well. So now I am going to save to camera roll. You can see save to photo album. So I hope now you will try this great free application. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more Android app reviews.